Hello guys, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix fitness app is not working on iPhone. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, there is many method to solve this issue. First is to check the internet connection. So for checking internet connection, tap on settings app, tap on Wi-Fi, and now you can see if you have connected with Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi and now you can see Wi-Fi is connected. Now if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution is to turn on the airplane mode and turn it off again, turn it on and turn it off again to fix the internet connection, because fitness app is working on internet connection. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution is to restore the network settings. So tap on settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, and now you can see reset network settings. Tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode. After entering your passcode, your mobile network connection will be reset. If this solution is not working, then we also move to another solution is to check the software update of your iOS device. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If you have any pending update on your iOS device, download and install it to fix the fitness app issue. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is to force restart your iPhone. For force restarting it, press the volume up button, volume down button, press and hold the power button until you see slider is appear. After sliding it, your mobile will be restart. If the solution is not working, then we move to another is to quit the fitness app. Open it, scroll up and close it. Open it again, scroll up and close it to fix this issue. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.